Okay, here comes the jogger. Oh, and we got sun. Awesome, awesome. Here we go. Here we go. We got sun. Oh, the damn car behind it. Oh, that car. Screwed it up. Oh, man.
So there's a burger and
that might be cool. I don't know. Hey ladies, I do street photography. You mind if I take your picture? You send me an email, I'll give you a free copy of it.
Oh, yeah,
I just walk around and do street photography. Obviously, beautiful ladies here, so. Now, it's a YouTube video too, is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. Actually, if we can get you over here in this sunlight over here would be awesome. Before the sun goes back down. Let's hurry, hurry, hurry. Right here. Yeah, hurry before it's going to go down here in a second. This is like the only sun we've had. Awesome. Okay, turn right there. Right there's perfect. Oh, awesome. Go ahead and like hug each other, you know, show that you love each other and whatnot. Let me get over here. Awesome, right here. Okay, hang on. Okay, here we go. Okay, got this on autofocus. Cool, you'll understand what I'm saying when you see the video here, but it's kind of for people that use this camera. It's like a boutique camera. So, okay, one more close up here. Awesome, we're gonna have some awesome photos for you. First name of one of you, and I'll send you a copy of the picture, and then with the video, I'll send you a link to it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So when I shot those girls, I flipped my my function button is set to go to autofocus with face detection. So as I started taking photos of those girls, the first couple were snap focus, and then I went to the function button, and then it started to focus on their face. So those shots should be crystal clear on their face, and that was autofocus with face detection, or eye detection. So we'll see. Head down this way. Well guys, thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for checking things out. We're gonna give our meter readings here today. Camera settings. Yeah. Here we go. Okay guys, gonna Okay guys, we're going to give our camera settings for today with the Ricoh GR III, the beautiful, awesome Ricoh GR III. We're at 1/400th of a second. We're at f8. I've got my auto ISO on up to 6400, and we're cranking every bit of 4,000, 5,000 because it is evening. And let me get these people here and I'll continue on. Okay, now we got some people coming up on scooters here, but I'm also at 1.5 snap focus. That's the important thing, 1.5 meter snap focus. So I've got quite a bit of depth of field. You know, anything over f8 and above, you know, you should be getting maybe 2 feet to infinity, maybe not infinity. It just doesn't, there's some scales you can look at. That doesn't really concern me. I'm not shooting to infinity. I'm just shooting people that walk up beside me. All right, let's go on across. Hey, you guys mind if I take a picture of you? I'll send it to you for free. I just do street photography. Let's do it. Do it right on here. Somebody wants a card or whatever, just so you know I'm legit. Here we go, here we go. Oh, he took off. Okay, go ahead if you guys got to go. Yeah, I don't want to get you killed here. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. We got a chance for more people. This side or that side? Looks like that side. So let's head back. I like that exit over there. See if I can get some people. Like I like getting the. See if I can black out the background of it and whatnot. It's always cool. You always act like you're taking a picture of something else, and then you grab them. Although that's kind of a cool shot. I don't know. But I think Okay, so that was that. Let's see if we got anybody else walking. Nope, nobody walking. That would be much better with sunlight, although I believe the sun is coming out, so I want to go get into position here. I think the sun is coming out now, peeking out from the clouds. If so, we're going to grab us some sun and some contrast. Here it comes, here it comes. Here comes the sun. We just got a couple of some people. Okay, well, that wasn't what we were looking for, but a wild beaver. There we go. This is cool. Get a kind of a cool shot here. Oh, awesome. There we go. There we go. A little creative fun for you. Let's get the sign up here as well. Why not? Get the light pole in there as well. That make it kind of cool. Just add something to off center a little bit. Yeah, we'll see how that comes out. Who knows? Okay. Pay attention to who's coming around me here. All right. Got these guys to the left. Always get them to the left if you can. Oh, I just missed the little party bike. Damn it. Oh, that would have been good. A bunch of women. Oh, that would have been cool. Get that. Okay, so this is the 10 roofs, or yeah. See if now we can make this look cool at all. Okay. Well, that we succeeded there. Okay, we got some people coming this way. Keep an eye out for that little party bike, because I want to get those ladies when they come back this way. Here comes these women again. Okay, I might as well ask them if they want a picture taken. Okay, guys, I've passed you like 4 times. I don't know what you think. Anything weird? Would you mind if I took your picture? I do street photography.
Not right now.
Okay, well, I just keep passing you. I didn't want you to think anything's weird, so. Okay, well, that was embarrassing and weird. Every now and then you'll get that. There we go. People on bikes. Excellent. 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 People on scooters. How you doing? I'd be falling on those things. There's no way I could keep my... Hold up, hold up, hold up. Jeez. That wouldn't have been good. Jesus, man. The guy almost ran over that woman. Here we go. Awesome.
That's the whole stack.
Here, man, use a couple bucks?
Sure.
Right on. No problem, buddy. Have a good one. here we go. I need to slow down a little bit when I'm walking. Try to frame them up better. Okay, here comes a jogger. Let's see if I can get this. So we got a jogger coming. I was wanting to get across the street here and get them halfway across, but so I'll just have to go up here. Girl in there. Okay, here comes a jogger. Scooter people, here we go. Oh, got to get off the. Okay, back to snap focus. Ooh, here we go. Jeez! There we go. Here we go. That's cool. People were on the other side though. Let me get to the other side here. That's where all the people are coming up. What a beautiful night in downtown Indianapolis, and here we go. We got some more people coming. Hope you all enjoying the show. I am.
I think it's like a club.
No, it's like a. No, it's like a. This guy there, come. Should be working the sun. I should be working the sunlight over there, but damn it, gotta get in the right position. I hope I got that kid looking at me. All right, guys, that's going to do it for our video today. Certainly do appreciate you guys tuning in and checking things out. And we'll be back every Wednesday for Ricoh Wednesday. All kinds of good stuff coming up, so make sure and tune in for that. We've got some more in the can, so we definitely have more coming. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.